Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, My Moon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling overwhelmed, fed up with life, angry, lonely, tired, restless, depressed, feeling fear inside, feeling desires inside, feeling like you want to be somewhere else. Know that that's A-okay. Then we're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to the present moment, come back to trust in the unfolding of life. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position, extending your spine so that you may be upright. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Relaxing your belly. Becoming aware. You take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy through the nose. And exhaling, letting go of stress. Breathing in, feeling your belly, chest rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Relaxing, letting go of tensions in the face. Breathing in trust. And exhaling, letting go of insecurities. Relaxing the belly, opening your chest, allowing your eyes to be closed, bringing your attention inwards as you breathe in and breathe out. Feeling more beauty inside, more consciousness. Letting go of past, letting go of the future as you breathe in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhaling with a sigh. Taking a breath in through the nose and exhaling with a sigh. Letting go of pain, coming back into the blessings that is already here. Taking a breath in. Exhale, letting go of fear, letting go of any anger, coming back into forgiveness, coming back into compassion for the suffering of yourself, for the suffering of billions of people across the world. Relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your belly, relaxing your face, relaxing your mind. In fact, if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Into your body, back into your posture, aware of how you're sat, looking inwards, witnessing and welcoming yourself. Coming home to your heart, coming home to love. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top. Slowly, very softly exhale. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy to have you joining me today. Sending you love across the way, reminding you that you're not alone, not on an island, but deeply, deeply interconnected to the human experience. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Relaxing your hands and feet, feeling your feet underneath you, listening with your heart. as you come back to a thankful, grateful energy that is already here, just underneath the anxieties, the worry, coming back to trust. Taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Breathing in. And exhale out. Becoming aware of your posture. The color for today is red. The number is 99. And the animal is a phoenix. Dropping down from the head into your heart, feeling your heart with your hands. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Remembering to enjoy yourself today as much as you can. To see all the beauty that is in front of you, and remember that life is happening for us, not to us. Everything is in our support, even when it doesn't feel that way. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale. Thank you for joining me across time and space. Hope that this video was nourishing to your mind, to your body, to your spirit. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.